Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video we will learn how to enable browser caching in WordPress. So what is the browser caching? Browser caching is defined as a temporary storage area in the memory or on disk that hold most recently downloaded web pages. So in simple terms, leverage browser caching represent the amount of time and browser locally stored the cacheable resources available on the website, and a cacheable resources of the website is image, javascript, etc. When we enable browser caching in a browser, then browser does not download website resources like images, javascript, which result increase in the speed of the website. Let's understand this in the simple way. When we download any website, any web page of the website, and that web page contains javascript code or images, so once at the first time when you browse that website, then your browser stored those images and the javascript code, and when you next time visit the same web page, then browser does not download those things again, means these images and javascript, so which result in the increase of the speed of the website. So this is the basic overview about the leverage browser caching, and for WordPress we will learn how to implement the leverage browser caching. In WordPress there are the two major ways to implement the leverage browser caching. One is the by using the code, and second one is the plugin. So let's understand both the method step by steps. So in my previous video I have explained about the hat access file, and how you can use it to secure your website and optimize the speed of your website. Hat access file is a very important file of the WordPress, and it's because it is directly communicate with the servers. It is executed on the servers. Hat access is a default core file of the WordPress. Some of the feature of hat access file includes password product, ban user, allow user, block IP address. There are lots of things you can do with your hat access file. To enable the leverage browser caching, you need to copy this code and paste in your hat access file. A simple hat access file is look like this. This is the demo hat access file. It is start with a hash, begin the WordPress and end the WordPress, and after that you can copy this code and paste it. Copy this code and paste here. Okay. So paste it here and save it. So let's understand what is the inside of that script. If you see that script of this leverage browser caching, so we have set the javascript access for the 1 month and stay for the 1 year, like that. Okay, so I'm an auto coder, so I cannot explain much more about this, but this code will enable the leverage browser caching on your WordPress website. And you have to define the etx tag here. I have also defined in my code. Etx tag are the default feature of the WordPress, and it is the role is used to cache new version of the cache file. So if you define this tag, means suppose that image is there, if it is got updated, then it will request for the new cache version of the file. So if you are if you have basic familiarity with how to modify and edit the hat access file, so I will recommend you to use this method to customize leverage browser caching on your WordPress website. And if you are not in good to modify your hat access file, and if you think that hat access is very confidential and important file, and I do not want to add any code to my hat access file, then you may use this plugin, browser caching plugin. And for this first method, if you are adding this code to your hat access file, make sure that you first download the backup. because if any consequences happen, then you will have the backup, and you can upload it to your hosting cPanel. Now second method is that using the leverage browser caching plugin. So this is the very awesome plugin. It has more than 40,000 plus install, and it works in the same way the code I have explained earlier. So all you have to do, install this plugin and activate it. And once you enable the leverage browser caching, you can go to the GT matrix, and I would recommend you to note down your website test score. So before installing this plugin, test your website score, install the plugins, and then check your website score. So you will understand that how leverage browser caching is helping your website performance. So I run a blog, wpnoll.com. For more WordPress tips and tricks, you can visit my blog. And I have tried to explain leverage browser caching in a simple way. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.